In this example, Aetria is used to deliver a new control room solution for a campus-wide CCTV monitoring centre at a university campus. Comprised of 200 CCTV cameras, the installation needed to support operators with a live view of all cameras on campus. As well as in an emergency situation, they needed to be able to bring up instantly a live feed should any incident occur on the campus. The cameras were already available on a dedicated separate network, which always needed to be kept segregated from the main corporate network. So here is a summary of what we delivered for this project. VSN video wall controllers with active SQX cards in order to decode the 200 IP feeds, as well as image 2K graphics cards in order to power and drive content to the video wall. A 6x3 video wall of 48-inch 1080p resolution displays in order to give the operators a clear view of the multiple camera feeds. 5 operator workstations in order to view and control those sources locally on their local workstation. And each of these workstations ran a Windows 10 PC with Aetria workstation software and had 3 monitors in order to view the content. All of the Aetria workstations were connected directly to the corporate network, while the active SQX cards installed in the operator PCs provided secure, unobtrusive access to the camera feed network. Finally, to enable all of this, an Aetria Network Manager appliance was installed to provide simple setup, monitoring and configuration of the Aetria components in this solution. Operators now have access to a video wall solution that allows them through layouts to efficiently and effectively monitor and manage the university campus. The workstations have secure access to all of the camera feeds on the dedicated network that in the event of an incident allows them to have a more detailed look. So all of this can be done with no delay, and with the Aetria Network Manager appliance processing all of the sources, there's no bandwidth impact on the university's network, so their day-to-day tasks remain unaffected. So Aetria combines both hardware and software components to deliver a first-class, reliable control room solution.